Ahoy, I'm Alcázar Sabandal and I'm here to present my country, Czech Republic. Czech Republic, also known as Czechia, it is landlocked country in Central Europe. Historically known as Bohemia, it is bordered by Austria to the south, Germany to the west, Poland to the northeast, and Slovakia to the southeast. The Czech Republic has hilly landscape that covers an area of 78,871 square kilometers, with a mostly temperate, continental, and oceanic climate. The Czech Republic lies in Central Europe and is known for its rich history, stunning architecture, delicious cuisine, and vibrant culture. This is the flag of Czech Republic. White is the traditional color of Bohemia and represents the sky. Moravia is symbolized by the color red, which also represents the bloodshed of the freedom of the state. Blue is the traditional color of Slovakia. It is also symbolic of impartiality and sovereignty. The official language is Czech, which was spoken by about 96% of the population. Other common languages spoken are Slovak, German, Polish, and Romani. Spoken by nearly 11 million native speakers, Czech is classified as part of Slavic branch of Indo-European languages. Although many people in Czech Republic have base knowledge of the English language, knowing a few great phrases in Czech Republic culture, families are warm, friendly, and welcoming. They rarely have more than 2 children, and it's common for extended family members to live together, especially grandparents. In small towns, people live in apartment blocks, but they visiting the country cottage during the weekend. In both regions, clothes were made from wool and homespun line. During summers, Czechs wore lightweight fabrics such as silk. Women's traditional clothing consisted of 2 aprons tied in the front and back, and a white blouse. For men, a typical outfit included long breeches and a loose jacket. Ahoy! Thank you for taking this journey with me.